SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram, which basically is genuinely critical. SLP by and large faces opposition at $0.003 in an especially significant manner. Smooth love mixture essentially is buy esteemed at $0.003 backing for the generally bears certainly has been laid out at $0.003 for August 2023. In this video, we will walk you through especially smooth love elixir cost examination for no or for sort of the following week, and for the most part attempt to answer this habitually especially get clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What generally will be by and large momentary cost expectation for kind of smooth love mixture fundamentally is SLP an essentially wise interest in and in every practical sense, significant way, smooth love mixture support and obstruction levels and so forth, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. Yet, prior to jumping kind of profound into the SLP specialized examination, in every way that really matters, let us generally discuss the essentially current economic situations in a for the most part significant manner. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there explicitly was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the really whole cryptographic money market to $1,169,279,238,148 in an unpretentious manner. The essentially complete exchanging volume generally remains at $29,024,660,437 in a fundamentally enormous manner. Bitcoin shares 48.66% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,259.42 level, after a vertical development of 0.4%, exhibiting how sort of smooth love elixir in a real sense is buy esteemed at $0.003 backing for the basically bears explicitly, has been laid out at $0.003 for August 2023. In this video, we will all things considered walk you through fundamentally smooth love mixture cost examination for now or for essentially 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these regularly essentially got clarification on pressing issues, facts. What all things considered is certainly transient cost expectation for truly smooth love elixir, truly is SLP an especially wise venture. Or so they generally thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 0.43%, coming to $1,844.19 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 48.66% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a predominance of 16.33% in a sort of enormous manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.47 following a value change of 0.78% inside a similar time period, showing how market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there in a real sense, was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the essentially whole cryptographic money market to $1,169,239,238,148. Incredibly, XRP, the exceptionally local coin of XRP, generally is up by 0.01. And right now exchanging at 66 cents in an in every way that really matters, significant way. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an especially significant way. These occasions truly show that the market in a real sense is going in an exceptionally descending bearing for essentially transient in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, a sort of broad by and large regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Smooth love mixture backing and obstruction backing and opposition fundamentally are significant specialized pointers used to generally distinguish truly key cost levels, where the pattern can take an alternate route, which basically is genuinely huge. Support generally is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become commonly more fundamentally dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing that Bitcoin shares 48.66% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33%, in a kind of significant manner. Similarly, opposition basically is a level at which vendors generally become move certainly dynamic, and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which for the most part is very critical. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of truly smooth love elixir, SLP smooth love mixture execution. The everyday diagram of essentially smooth love mixture generally shows that the SLP cost especially has a sort of descending development, with a 1.18% diminishing and extremely beyond 24 hours, exhibiting that as of now, a sort of broad exceptionally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they by and large thought. The value worth of the smooth love elixir, SLP coin, basically is remaining at $0.003, with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars, which truly is very critical. SLP cost changes 4.08% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume basically is floating around $10,395,115 United States dollars, so SLP certainly faces opposition at $0.003. Amazingly, smooth love elixir cost examination SLP cost examination for 04 August 2023, in sight and in every practical sense, day-to-day time period, for the most part made sense of beneath, so various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum by and large, has seen a cost increment of 0.43%, coming to $1,844.19 during the past 24 hours, showing that Bitcoin shares 48.66% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. We use in every practical sense relative strength index RSI, moving extremely normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including most certainly straightforward moving exceptionally normal, SMA, and remarkable moving certainly normal, EMA, to especially break down the future development of the smooth love potion. The pretty relative strength record, RSI, demonstrates that the SLP coin in a real sense is close oversold zone, as RSI sort of is at 34, or so they basically thought. The MACD line sort of is remaining beneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, which for the most part shows that SLP cost changes 4.08% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume truly is drifting around $10,395,115 United States dollars, so SLP fundamentally faces obstruction at $0.003, or so they explicitly thought. Smooth love mixture financial backers need to basically sit tight for any directional change over the truly everyday outline, so as of now, a for the most part broad sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a really significant manner, while SLP's Williams % R pointer basically is at 73.578 for the